Master the IELTS Test Components. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into understanding the different components of the IELTS exam. If you're planning to take the IELTS test, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with its structure. So, let's get started, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what to expect. IELTS stands for the International English Language Testing System. It's a globally recognized test that assesses your English proficiency. Now, the IELTS test comes in two main versions: IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. Depending on your goals, whether it's for higher education or migration, you'll choose between these two. The IELTS test is divided into four primary sections or components. 1. Listening. This section tests your ability to understand spoken English in various contexts. It consists of 4 sections and lasts approximately 30 minutes. 2. Reading. Here, your comprehension skills are put to the test. The academic and general training versions have different reading tasks, but both last for 60 minutes. 3. Writing. This component requires you to complete 2 writing tasks. The nature of the tasks will again differ based on whether you're taking the academic or general training test. The allotted time is 60 minutes. 4. Speaking. This is a face-to-face, interactive test that evaluates your spoken English skills. It typically lasts 11 to 14 minutes. 1. Listening. Always read the questions first and familiarize yourself with the content before the audio starts. This will help you to know what to listen for. 2. Reading. Skim the passages first to get the general idea, and then go back and read in detail when answering the questions. 3. Writing. For both tasks, plan your answer first. Make sure you're answering the question and staying on topic. 4. Speaking. Be natural and confident. It's okay if you make mistakes, but try to correct yourself if possible. Focus on fluent communication rather than perfection. That's a wrap on the components of the IELTS test. Remember, the key to success is understanding the format, practicing regularly, and staying calm during the test. We hope this video has provided clarity and wish you the best of luck in your IELTS journey. Stay tuned for more videos on specific strategies for each component. Happy learning!